Hello and welcome to my kitchen. I'm Naomi. In winter, I always want to eat a bowl of delicious hot soup, especially if it won't make me put on weight. Today, we will cook kelp soup. First, soak the kelp in water. Once softened, drain it. Then cut the kelp into pieces. Cut the beef into thin slices. Mince the garlic. Heat the pan first, medium heat. Pour some sesame oil. Add minced garlic and saute until fragrant. Then put in the beef slices. Stir until the meat is cooked. Add kelp and stir fry for a while. Add some water and bring to boil. Then add half tablespoon white pepper powder. 1 tablespoon oyster sauce. 2 tablespoons soy sauce. I use unsalted kelp. If you use salted kelp, you will only need to put 1 tablespoon of soy sauce. Then cook for 10 minutes on medium heat and it's ready. This soup is easy to make, low in calories and low in fat, and it's the most suitable soup of someone trying to lose weight but doesn't want to miss out on delicious meals. Try it. Thank you for watching, and if you like my recipe, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next episodes of Naomi's Kitchen. Bye bye!